everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a touchpad trick that before using a touchpad often feels slower than using a mouse, especially when navigating fast. But actually, your touchpad can be just as powerful if you know the right tricks. First, just open the settings. Just go to start and then just settings. And then just go to Bluetooth and devices like this. And then go to touchpad over here, and then in here you will find all the gesture options on your laptop support like this. For example, just use two fingers to scroll smoothly up and down, and then you can also do the three fingers gestures like this, like to view the multitasking view like this. And then you can also swipe three fingers left or right to switch between apps faster like this. Like this. And then you can also quickly minimize by use the three fingers or four fingers like this. This touchpad gesture will help you navigate faster, smoother, and without needing a mouse at all. You can also learn the more about the gesture over here. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.